Renters in Portland will have to pay July rent or landlords can start to evict them. Let's give you a live look right now outside from our Shriners Hospital camera. The governor made the announcement today saying the mortgage foreclosure moratorium will be extended through September 30th, which impacts homeowners and landlords as well. But the eviction moratorium impacting renters is still set to expire at the end of this month. To be clear, people who owe past rent are still protected from eviction. They have until February to pay that back. The governor says it's important, though, that everybody works together to try to keep people in their homes.
I'm also calling on landlords across the state to work with your tenants to avoid evictions. If your tenants have applied for rental assistance, please give our community partners time to get those payments into your hands. And there are still resources available in the Landlord Compensation Fund.
Fox 12's Camilla Ortiz has been looking into this for us tonight. She joins us live. Camilla, how big of a problem is the state facing here?
Well, Wayne, it's hard to exactly pinpoint how big that wave of evictions could be, but advocacy groups are calling this a dire situation. This as the state scrambles to get rental assistance to the people who need it before July 1st so they don't get kicked out of their homes. The COVID-19 pandemic causing historic waves of unemployment. Now, time is running out for struggling renters in Oregon.
We're facing a what could be a pretty significant event in July.
Jimmy Jones at the Mid-Willamette Valley Community Action Agency has been working tirelessly to connect tenants in need with rental assistance before the state's eviction moratorium ends on June 30th. There's about $200 million available in the Oregon Emergency Rental Assistance Program, which just rolled out in May. But Jones says it's not geared for the immediate need.
This system was not designed to address that July issue. It was really designed to cure back rents and long-term rents into the future.
According to Jones, around 5,600 households across the state said they needed help with July rent, and advocacy groups say tensions are rising between tenants and landlords.
We're seeing a lot of harassment around it and a lot of fear.
Also, a lot of confusion. That's because people who owe past due rent are still protected from eviction by state law. They have until February to pay that back. Plus, there's multiple funding streams for aid, and advocates say the new application system has had its hiccups, slowing down relief payments.
We also have a lot of residents out there that, frankly think the money's gone or that they can't get access to it, and that's not correct.
Deborah Imsey with Multifamily Northwest wants to see the system tweaked to prioritize the people who need rent help in July. And advocates stressed if you need rent help for July or beyond, get into the application system immediately. Governor Brown mentioned today she is working with lawmakers to pass a bill that would at least shield tenants from eviction who are in the application process. And we do have a link to that application system posted on kptv.com. Just click on this story. Reporting live tonight in Beaverton, Camilla Ortiz, Fox 12 Oregon.